Sex is a complex biological process influenced by a combination of physiological, psychological, and social factors. Here's a breakdown of the science behind sex. 1. Biological basis of sex. Hormonal regulation. Sex is driven by hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone. These hormones regulate libido, sex drive, reproductive functions, and secondary sexual characteristics. Brain involvement. The brain plays a central role in sexual arousal and response. The hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and limbic system are key areas involved in sexual desire and pleasure. Neurotransmitters, chemicals like dopamine, associated with pleasure and reward, oxytocin, the bonding hormone, and serotonin, mood regulation, influence sexual behavior and satisfaction. 2. Sexual response cycle. The human sexual response cycle, as described by Masters and Johnson, consists of 4 phases: excitement, increased heart rate, blood flow to genitals, and muscle tension. In men, this leads to erection. In women, vaginal lubrication and clitoral swelling occur. Plateau, intensification of the excitement phase, with further increases in heart rate, blood pressure, and muscle tension. Orgasm, a peak of sexual pleasure, accompanied by rhythmic muscle contractions, release of tension, and, in men, ejaculation. Resolution, the body returns to its normal state, often accompanied by feelings of relaxation and satisfaction. 3. Reproductive science. Sperm and egg. Sex is the primary mechanism for reproduction in humans. During intercourse, sperm is ejaculated into the vagina and travels to fertilize an egg in the fallopian tube. Fertilization. When a sperm successfully penetrates an egg, fertilization occurs, forming a zygote, which eventually develops into an embryo. 4. Psychological and emotional factors. Attraction. Physical and emotional attraction are influenced by factors like pheromones, facial symmetry, and personality traits. Bonding. Sex promotes emotional intimacy and bonding between partners, largely due to the release of oxytocin. Mental health. A healthy sex life is linked to reduced stress, improved mood, and better overall mental health. 5. Evolutionary perspective. From an evolutionary standpoint, sex ensures genetic diversity and the survival of the species. It also strengthens social bonds, which can enhance group cohesion and survival. 6. Health benefits of sex. Regular sexual activity is associated with numerous health benefits, including regular sexual activity is associated with numerous health benefits, including 1. Improved cardiovascular health, boosted immune system, reduced stress and anxiety, better sleep quality, enhanced self-esteem. 7. Variations and disorders. Sexual dysfunction. Conditions like erectile dysfunction, low libido, or anorgasmia can affect sexual health and require medical or psychological intervention. Sexual orientation and identity. Human sexuality is diverse, encompassing heterosexual, homosexual, bisexual, and other orientations, as well as various gender identities. 8. Cultural and social influences. Cultural norms, religious beliefs, and societal attitudes shape how sex is perceived and practiced. These factors can influence sexual behavior, expectations, and education. Understanding the science behind sex involves integrating knowledge from biology, psychology, and sociology. It's a fundamental aspect of human life, contributing to reproduction, relationships, and overall well-being.